Hello everyone, and we are back for another episode of Sunday STEM with myself, Mrs. Brewer, and of course the star of our show, the fur princess herself, Miss Remy Mae. And today we are going to show you guys how to make some Craisins dance. So we will show you, but Miss Mae is a character. She loves to sing and she loves to dance. So we decided for this STEM experiment, we're going to allow her to make some food dance because that's incorporating two of her favorite things, dancing and food. All right, so for this experiment, all you need is Sprite. If you don't have Sprite, 7-Up will suffice, lemon lime soda, some Craisins, and a clear cup. We chose plastic because being around Miss Mae, we never want glass too close to her. Now, with this particular experiment, it is testing the buoyancy of these Craisins. So if you don't know what buoyancy is, let's tell you, right, Mae? Buoyancy is the tendency of something to either sink or float in liquid or air. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these Craisins in and we're going to check out its buoyancy. So, Mae, what you think the Craisin's going to do when we put it in the cup with the spray? She thinks that it's just going to lay there just like she is right now. So if you have your cup, your Craisins, and your Sprite, let's get started. So the very first step is you're going to open your Sprite and your you smell it? And you are going to pour it 3/4 full in the cup. So we're pouring, and about right there. All right, that's okay with you, Mae? Let's let her get a little sniff there. All right, then go ahead and open your Craisins. And now you do not need to put, if you have a small package as we have here, you do not need to put the whole package in. So we're just going to put a few in. Uh-oh, we dropped one. All right, so we got like a little handful. And what you will notice is at the very beginning, all the Craisins drop down to the bottom and then they lift themselves up. So what is happening, and then like as you see it, some falls down and whoop, then it goes right back up. And that one went ahead and gave us a little flip in action. All right. So this would continue to go on for several minutes. You see it, Mae Mae? You see it? It's going to continue to go on for a few minutes. Now, what's happening? Why is it happening this way? All right. So with the, let's explain that buoyancy part first. So we know that Craisins weigh more than water. Isn't that right, Mae? All right, so Craisins weigh more than water. So initially when we put the Craisins in, just like I'll take one and put it in, it's going to, on first stance, go straight down to the bottom because it's heavier. But it begins to float to the top and go back up and down because our soda has gas in it. That's where the bubbles come from. So see, bubbles. So yes, we know that the pop has acid in it, but there's also a gas that is released. All right, that gas creates the bubbles. And what happens if you look very, very closely, you'll see that there's bubbles all around the Craisins. So what happens is quite a few of those bubbles attach to the Craisin, and that's what lifts it up to the top. So literally, the Craisins are lifted up by those gas bubbles. And then what do you think happens, Mae, when those gas bubbles pop? Boop. It goes down to the bottom again, and then it rises back up yet again. So you can keep doing this, and this will happen for almost about a whole hour. Of course, if you have a larger container and you use more soda pop, then and you can use more Craisins, the more the merrier. All right, so I'm going to include in a little video where you guys can see Miss Mae Mae having a ball singing, and maybe you can get your Craisins to sing and dance on beat with Mae. So until next time, we'll see you later.
Bye-bye.